So it'll be able to determine, okay, this is where the problem is. The existing pole had a manual switch on it, so we're replacing it with this Viper switch, which is a smart switch, which is an automated switch. So if we have an issue, it will automatically isolate the problem. The benefit that we'll see here is going to improve the reliability to the customers around here significantly.
Not having electricity is something that I think most people could not bear to do more than a day or two. So it's critical that we have a reliable electrical service to our citizens here in Missouri and the country.
We see a lot more people working from home these days. The reliability of the grid needs to be there. We want to invest in our future. We want to invest in good, safe, clean electricity that's reliable. So yes, it's going to make me easier to come back to Jeff City and say, I support this, let's move forward with these things.
This is a project that shows the proof is in the pudding, the money's being spent, and it's being spent wisely.
From here to the next location, it's all got to be continuous run. So Warrenton is an area that's growing. What this project is doing, it's adding additional capacity for us to deliver power to our customers. And not only are we supplying additional power and electricity, but we're also making it much more reliable.
Working on infrastructure, trying to work on economic development, trying to have residences to have good, steady power is what we need, and I'm glad we're doing that.
We need their support. We have an age system across all of Ameren, Missouri, and in order to build the grid of the future, it's important that the legislators actually understand what we're doing as we continue to make the system better.